Hi, my name is Veronica Anderson with Wreath by Veronica, where we build the wreathing community with one wreath at a time. Today I want to show you how I make my bows. And first off, I want to go over the supplies you would need to make your bow. And you can choose any color ribbon of choice that you want. I chose this black and white checkered with this red and green. And the black and white is 2.5 inch, and the red and green is a 1.5 inch. So I put them on top of each other, and they worked out fine. They look great. And of course, the black and white checkered is the color trend this year. So you will have your ribbon. You will also have a pair of scissors. You will have some wire cutters to cut your wire, and also some wiring. And this is 22 gauge wire, and needle nose if you need to make your wire a little tighter. So let's begin by making this beautiful bow. We're going to start with the 2.5 checkered black and white. I already pulled some off, so I'm going to measure by 7 inches here and measure 12 right here on my board. And as you can see how good it is right there. And then I go a 12-inch again, and I'm gonna bring it out right here. And as you can see, I'm gonna do a 2-bow loop on this one, and I'm just gonna cut a little off right there, and your bow should look just like this for right now. Then I'm going to take this red and green. I'm going to measure that at 7, place it right there on top, measure this out to 12, bring it right here, make another 12 loop, and then I'm going to do my final bow, which would be a 12-2 as well, and I'm going to bring it right there. I'm just going to cut it off right there. So, and this what you would have, just like that. And you're going to maneuver it in that, and I'm going to take my wiring that I have, lift this finger up, bring it all the way around, and I'm going to flip my bow and bring it here. As you can see, bring it tight right there. And what I'm going to do after I twist, I'm just going to twist the bow like that. And just work your ribbon around and your tails. And you have a beautiful bow, and that red and green looks fabulous with this black and white. So all you have to do is maneuver it. And if you want to do tails, you can do this to make your bow look much nicer. Give them tails on that. You cut it. And I love this. And all you do is just work your bow out. You just keep maneuvering the way you want it, and you would have it And there you have a beautiful bow of your charts, and you cut your wiring out. If you're going to put it in your wreath, you open it up a little bit and you stick it in just like that. And there you have this beautiful bow. I want to thank you guys for watching. Remember, wreathsbyveronica.com. Bye-bye.